Today we learn 5 important body parts: chest, back, waist, stomach, and belly. These words help you talk about your body in English. Listen carefully and repeat after each word. Chest is the front part of your upper body. Your heart and lungs are inside your chest. When you breathe deeply, you feel your chest move. Say chest, chest, chest. Back is the rear part of your body. Your spine runs down your back. You use your back muscles when you lift heavy things. Say back, back, back. Waist is the narrow part between your ribs and hips. Belts go around your waist. It's where your upper body meets your lower body. Say waist, waist, waist. Stomach is the organ inside your belly where food goes after you eat. It digests your food and sends nutrients to your body. Say stomach, stomach, stomach. Belly is the soft front part of your body below your waist. Sometimes people call it tummy. Babies have round bellies. Say belly, belly, belly. Quick review time. Chest, back, waist, stomach, belly. Point to each part on your body as you say the words. Chest, back, waist, stomach, belly. Great job. Practice time. Look at each picture and say the body part name. Point to that part on your own body. Chest, back, waist, stomach, belly. Say them all together now.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.